Okay, so this is gonna be an unboxing or fake unboxing of this Orient star because it's not the first time I'm opening it. This is my own and I wear it a lot because I love this watch. So the watch comes in a double box, quite nice one, actually not too bad, heavy as well, and yeah, papers. So let's see the watch itself. So this is the Orient Star Avant-Garde series, and mine is the steel one. Ooh, no, I can see a scratch there. I'm not happy. So it's already scratched, but I've been wearing it for, I don't know, 1.5 years, quite regularly, so it's not the end of the world, but I'm not happy about the scratch, of course. Can you see it? It's there. Yeah, on the bezel, which is quite spectacular as well, in my opinion. Let's place it down somewhere so I can show you some close-ups. So here's a close-up in 8 key, by the way. So if you have an 8 key compatible display, now you have some content for it. Okay, that's probably not what you were hoping for, but yeah, I hope it's still clear enough and detailed so you can appreciate how gorgeous this display is. I really like the car theme as well. So as you can see, this watch features some car inspired or inspired details, like the steering wheel there, or the wheel, or the power reserve as a gauge, even the whole bezel and the screws remind you or me the cars, and even the honeycomb maybe pattern is also something you can imagine on a more dynamic car. So let's have an even closer look. Okay, let's see how enjoyable is the video on an S22 Ultra phone. I mean the video recording. Then I move to very close. Still like it. Let's move around the watch a little bit. Sorry, it's my very first watch video, and I'm not a watch expert on any level, but I like watches myself. I don't own very especially expensive watches. No. This Orient Star is probably one of my most precious and very highest value watches, but it's not really what I look in a watch. I mean, not the price. So if you are considering buying this watch, I can only recommend to own this watch. And why? Because it's very high quality and very good looking. Also practical because of the power reserve. However, if you depend a lot on your watch and you check the time regularly, and you don't want to wear many different watches, this is probably not the best choice, because the legibility of the dial is somewhat limited, but not too bad, you know, just it's not the most legible dial, I would say so. I will show the back as well. Yeah, so this is my very first video, and also I admit that I'm not gonna edit it, so that's my plan, not to touch it at all, just do the shot and upload it to YouTube. Why? It's only partly because I'm lazy, but also because I'm recording it in 8K, and couldn't really find an 8K editor, which I couldn't find one on Android, because I was trying to edit 8K videos with my S22 Ultra using DeX on my display, if you know that thing. And DeX is very fine and useful, but no, I was not able to save my edited video as an 8K file, only 4K. Okay, here's a shot from the side. It's not sharp, not focusing, maybe now. Yeah, this is how it looks. And probably you are already well informed that this watch comes with a spectacular bracelet. It's really it's the best one I have. The bracelet is just so comfortable, and I don't know. Yeah, just look at it while I'm trying to set the focus. Okay, I'm going to put it on, just swapping my watch. There you go. So the bracelet shines, but not too shiny. You won't look like a douchebag. It's very detailed. You've got extra cuts on the links, so it's quite rectangular as well. And the back. So it's not the most decorated, but I think it's good enough. I think I said the name of the watch wrong in the beginning of this video. So this is the Orient Star Avant-Garde skeleton. I might have forgotten to say the skeleton part, but this is kind of obvious, although it's not a true skeleton, by the way, or not one of those where you can actually see everything what's going inside the watch. Here you cannot, but the illusion is there that you can see everything, or even more. Yeah, I really like this watch. No complaint on it. It also keeps time well, and I'm not planning to change the bracelet because it's just so good. see if the digital zoom can do any good. Okay, so if this zoomed up image doesn't look good at all, I'm sorry, and please let me know in the comment. But at least on the phone's screen it's quite okay-ish. Okay, let's have a final look at the display. And oh, before I forget, let's have a loom shot. Oops, sorry. So, I would say it's visible. And it even looks good. Doesn't last through the night, obviously, and I'm not gonna check how long it will last, but perfectly usable. Thank you everyone for watching this video. This was my first take on YouTube watch videos, and also on this Orient Star Avant-Garde skeleton watch, which I really like, and I hope you are also satisfied with this short video that I shot in 8K, and that's why it's not edited and it's all over the place and very messy. But let me know what you think, if you think anything at all about this video, under the video in the comments, and also please subscribe and what as they usually say at the end of these videos. If you like this video, please press like, and if you also comment a lot, I will do more videos like this about my watches, my other watches, not this one. Thanks, bye bye.